Mayor Joy Del Monte.
To Dr. Caroline Marian S. Enriquez, our University President of Our Lady of Fatima University. To Dr. Heraclio D. Labrada, Vice President of Academic Affairs. To Mr. Vincent Kenneth S. Mercado, Vice President for Finance. Mr. Rafael Vicente S. Enriquez, Vice President for Technological Development. Board of Trustees, Deans, Program Heads, Faculty and Staff, Parents, and Graduates. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Sa pamunuan ng Our Lady of Fatima University at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng pamatasan, maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon na maging bahagi ng pagdiriwang na ito. This invitation feels doubly special because Quezon City hosts one of your campuses. Taas nga ng kamay naman ng Quezon City. Alam ko na dala ng excitement at paghahanda, lahat tayo madaling araw pa lang ay busy na. Kaya naman, bilang panimula, gusto ko sana mag-energy check muna tayo. Okay po ba?
Yes!
On the count of 3, sabay-sabay ninyong isisigaw kung ano ang inyong childhood dream. Sana na rin pati ang ating faculty at dean at si Miss Caroline. Ready, game? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Doctor!
Ito na sana kami mayaman. Ako rin, okay, thank you very much for that energy check. Palakpakan naman natin ating mga sarili. I heard very many different childhood dreams. There is a lot to celebrate today as we mark the completion of your college journey. Para sa marami, ang pagpili ng kurso ang kanilang first grown-up decision. At maaaring ang inyong piniling kurso, hindi yan yung binanggit ninyong childhood dream. Tama ba? It took years of hard work, perseverance, late nights, long hours of studying, and perhaps a little too many breakdowns. Now, you are finally here. Congratulations for making it to this moment. Congratulations din po sa ating mga proud parents at mga kapamilya who share in this success. Again, may request all of you to give yourselves, your parents, and your faculty and staff a big round of applause. Sa mga okasyon na tulad nito, madalas ang payo sa mga graduates, aim high, dream big, reach for the stars. Nothing is impossible. Change the world. Kasabay nito ang pinaka-classic na challenge. Kayo ang pag-asa ng bayan. O kaya naman, ialay ninyo ang inyong buong sarili para sa kapwa Pilipino. Surely these words of encouragement came from good intentions. But when the world is on fire and everything is up in flames, I realize that the least we can do is to be honest and preparing for what's ahead. So, as a gift on your graduation, I come bearing some bad news. Sasalakayin na po tayo ng mga robot. Or mukhang malapit na. Across countries and industries, the continuous rise of artificial intelligence has put job security in question, as people debate on whether AI is capable of replacing humans at work. Based on a recent Microsoft study, these jobs included writers, teachers, data scientists, and even mathematicians. The same study also ranked 40 AI-safe jobs. Healthcare professionals are at the top of the list, including nursing and nursing assistants. Kasama rin ang construction and skilled workers, manufacturing and industrial operators, at ship engineers. Mukhang safe kayo for now. Dahil according to my husband, na isang startup consultant, ngayon pa lang naguunahan na daw ang mga tech companies na mag-launch ng humanoids para sa healthcare industry. Yung dating nasa sci-fi movies lang, in a few years, time, baka maging katotohanan na. In fact, the takeover has already started, with people turning to ChatGPT for research, like in biology, and even therapy, like in psychology. I'm sure yung mga graduates ng bio at psych dyan, best friend na si Chat. This is a reality that we must acknowledge. In the eagerness of companies and workplaces to cut costs and turn around time, it is not surprising that more and more of them are learning or leaning on AI for support at the cost of actual human jobs. But we have to realize too that AI technology is not infallible and will require the discernment that only humans can bring to the table. And I am sure that Our Lady of Fatima University, one of our most prestigious universities, has instilled in you the core values that make jobs AI safe, like empathy, compassion, love and altruism, conscience and moral responsibility, and problem-solving skills. Let's give our school again a warm round of applause because I know that these values have been instilled in you. Pero kahit hindi pa tayo sinusugod ng human rights, nandito na ang nakakatakot na realidad. Hindi lahat ang gusto natin, makukuha natin. Hindi natin totoo ang kasabihan, you can be anything you want to be. And that's okay. In fact, this is a universal experience. For instance, several studies in workplaces in the US and the UK found that majority of their employees did not become who their younger selves wanted to be. They went on to pursue other jobs and interests, some completely different from their field of study. Ako mismo, ang aking pong childhood dream at field of study, archaeology. Napakalayo sa aking kasalukuyang trabaho. Sa India, itinuturing ng prestisyoso ang mga trabaho sa gobyerno. Kaya maraming kabataan ang handang isakripisyo ang lahat para makapasa sa napakahirap na civil service exam. Iniiwan nila ang kanilang mga pamilya at itinitigil ang kanilang buhay para lang mag-review, sometimes the review process taking several years.